Okay guys, welcome back. This is me tracking my drawing and learning methods and also seeing if I am improving with the learning method that I have um, applied. So we'll get on with it. 1, 2, 3 as usual. 4 minutes per drawing with 1 minute for a quick analysis and summary of how you have or how I have um, um, basically how you've captured the drawing. So good speed for all three. If you'd like me to explain what good speed is, I can do, just let me know in the comments. It's basically me how I have improved very quickly, but again, if you want me to explain it a lot more in depth, I can do. I have created a good structure and layout as well as proportions for all three. Thankfully, there's been a couple of drawings this morning where I did not capture it at all, but it was a good learning experience. For the first one, it was predominantly, beg pardon, geometric method that I used, along with some gestural for like the ab muscles and where the bicep would be, as well as the collarbones. So number two, good speed again, good structure, layout, proportions. This was geometrical and observational. I was observing the different kind of contours of the body to see if I could create some more detail with the time I had left, because I had about 15 seconds spare, so I thought I would utilise that. And I'm happy that it was a good angle for it as well. Third one, same as number two, however, I did utilise the a little bit of a simplified Loomis method, so you can see where the line would be for the middle of the face. Obviously it's at an angle, as you can see the chin is there as well as the jaw, but it's looking off. I'm really happy with what I've created so far, and I shall continue with making improvements, learning as I go, as well as utilising the different learning methods. And yeah, I shall leave it there because otherwise I'm going to keep rambling and I don't want it to be rambly. Let me know what you think, what you would like to see drawn, or how you would, something like new faces or something, just let me know. And I shall see you next time. Bye!